Welcome to the Timron channel. My name is Sarah Vollmeyer and I will translate the following video for you. This is Timo Vollmeyer, the manager of Timron, who will guide you through today's video, which is all about recesses. As for every recess, we start with the elevation. The elevation should include additional 5 mm as this considerably facilitates checking the measures afterwards. We mounted a stop fillet at the lower area in order to facilitate placing the formwork. Additionally, the formwork is already placed at the correct heat and can easily be adjusted to the recess via shifting or can also be centralized. The next step is mounting and securing the formwork on the wall with our multi-angle. A further advantage of the stop fillet and the multi-angle is to secure the formwork against one-sided loading, for example via one-sided concrete filling. In order to facilitate error detection at the construction site, we now have a quick hint for you. Just take a simple wooden plank, place it against the stop fillet, draw a line and keep the wooden plank inside the formwork. After concreting, you repeat the process in order to see whether the formwork was mounted securely and the stop fillet was kept in position, or if you have to reinforce the stop fillet for the next concreting section. All the struts integrated in this formwork are multi-struts of the type MS190 and they can be easily installed and removed, which is a big advantage. Due to the strut couplers mounted by the foreman during the assembly of the formwork, the reveal still will be straight also after the 20th concreting process, as it is clearly defined where to mount the struts. The foreman knows his construction site team and also the concrete consistency, and therefore is able to react on changing demands and needs at the construction site. An additional advantage of the multi-strut is the fact that various struts can be mounted horizontally and vertically at the same time. This is particularly suitable and important for thin walls where two struts often collide with each other. Another advantage of the formwork system is the fact that it can be scaled for every construction site. Our philosophy therefore is as much as necessary, as little as possible. Now we will show you additional versions of the formwork. For high concrete puring rates, we mounted 3 multi-struts MS190, including the strut couplers. Here you also see that the struts can be easily installed and removed. By a simple twist you can remove the strut, and for the next concreting section you can easily install it with the strut couplers. This version does include a concrete filling tube. This filling tube enables filling in concrete below the recess and is at the same time a vertical strut when installed correctly. However, the filling tube also hinders from installing a vertical strut when working on a thin wall. For this reason, we developed the Rotatable Strut Coupler KPD, which in combination with the multi-strut can direct the load around the filling tube. Please note that for this version, the concrete puring rate shouldn't be too high. When the concrete puring rate needs to be high due to time reasons, we recommend using further bracing. If you do not have enough long struts at your disposal, you can also use a combination of a multi-strut MS130 and 2 rotatable strut couplers. Now the strut is installed and we can start concreting.